First, make sure you update your Instagram app first. Then we're gonna pick the video or the post we want to share with someone else. So go ahead and find that post and then go ahead and either double tap it to like it or press the little save icon to save it. You have to do this first before we can move on to the co-watching step. So I'll do it to a couple of different ones. I either double tap it or save it. Now we want to invite the people we want to co-watch this with. So I'm going to go to the home page. This is going to take place inside of the direct message icon. If you've never used it, it's a place to send direct messages to other people and to video chat with other people. So that's the airplane icon. Let me press it. And here we want to press the video chat icon. That's the camera icon on the top of the page. And here it's going to ask you to search the person you want to invite to video chat with you. So let me find that person. And you don't have to be friends with them to do this. You don't have to be following them. But let me press this person and let me press start now on top. You could also select multiple people here. It doesn't have to be just one person. Let me go ahead and press start. And now I could wait for them to join the video chat here, and I'll show you how to co-watch something when they join the video chat. So now that he's joined, I could go ahead and turn off my camera. They could turn off their camera, their speaker. But to co-watch, I want to press media, that option right here on the bottom, press media. And then it's going to say post you've liked. That's why we liked the post first so we could share it. Or on the bottom, look at the other options. Post that you've saved, so the one I saved here. Or you could choose suggested from you, that's the last option. But let me choose just from one of my favorite ones here, and I'll just press that. And as you could see right now, it's gonna play it with sound. I could always add people here on the bottom if I wanted to add more people to join us and co-watch this. And when I'm done, I could just go ahead and press remove and it'll bring me back to the video chat.